Here are the kids. They're in the lab with me. Hey guys, hey everybody. They're drinking the juice we just made with the carrots and pineapple, which is gonna go in our vitamins as well. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Brittany, aka 𝗦𝗲𝗶𝗽𝗀, your favorite naturopath and herbalist here. And right now I'm just preparing some sea moss for our Seamoss Gummies. And this is our first time making them, and this became like a science project. If you don't know, we are a 9-year homeschool family. So I'm actually gonna put some spirulina in the gel just to give it that added boost. And by the way, I make my own green powder, so this is spirulina, chlorella, moringa, and wheatgrass all in here. And I just buy a big thing of it and I just mix it myself. So yeah, this is the mayo container, the Follow Your Heart. I don't know why they don't sell the big ones anymore. It makes me upset, but whatever. So yeah, I just save the jar and I use it, you know, for other things, the spirulina powder. So that's going to be the added boost here in our vitamins. Stay tuned. This is our project for today. So I just put 2 tablespoons of my green powder in there. I'm just going to blend it up so that way we have supercharged sea moss. The recipe for these amazing Seamoss Gummies will be in the description box below. Once our sea moss gel was complete, it was time for our next step. I did forget to show you the process of how we made the gel. I did let the sea moss soak for 2 days in the fridge. Now it's time to make this carrot and pineapple juice. Now, yes, I am using a blender. However, my juicer at this point was out of commission, but now that I'm recording this video, it is now back up and running and I didn't have to go and get another one. So I did blend up the juice and I strained the pulp from this juice that became the base for our gummies. Because of the added benefits of the pineapples, vitamin C, the bromelain, and with the carrots, of course, like vitamin K, and all these amazing things that are very beneficial to the health of our bodies. So yeah, that's why I chose to do both of those together. And the keratin, of course, in carrots. Seamoss Gummies have amazing health benefits. They contain essential vitamins and minerals like iodine, iron, and vitamins A and C. These nutrients can contribute to our overall well-being, support our immune system, and promote healthy skin. We are going to go on and start preparing the vitamins. Here are the kids. They're in the lab with me. Hey guys, hey everybody. They're drinking the juice we just made with the carrots and pineapple, which is gonna go in our vitamins as well. They're in the lab with me. Hey guys, hey everybody. They're drinking the juice we just made with the carrots and pineapple, which is gonna go in our vitamins as well. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. I do want to share the benefits of our green powder, which is the combination of spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, and moringa powder. And all of them are rich nutrients. With the overall benefits of this combination is detoxifying the body, reducing inflammation in the body. They help to boost energy and also support your immune system. So overall, this combination is superb when it comes to helping your body function better. And I absolutely love this green powder. Spirulina infused, not infused. Well, I guess it is infused. So this is spirulina sea moss gel. I just put some spirulina in there, and all this was actually just 2 tablespoons. And I made a lot of sea moss gel this time. Normally I don't make this much. Like I make enough to fit in like a 16-ounce jar, but I plan to make a lot of gummies because the whole house is taking gummies. And yeah, it's the gummies for everybody. now that it's complete, I'm gonna let it cool. Just let it cool just a little bit before I start putting them in the molds.
So these are our gummy bear molds that I actually got from Amazon, and they also came with a little dropper as well.
And it's only sweetened with the juice that I made, the carrot pineapple juice, as well as the spirulina, and then the benefits of spirulina, because there's so many benefits of it's the green powder. It's not just spirulina, so it's spirulina, chlorella, moringa, and wheatgrass. Had to make sure because it's 4 of them. So all of this, that's my green powders. All of those are in there, as well as, of course, the Seamoss with all the great benefits that it has, and then also this organic fruit juice from Kroger as my base. Shout out to Kroger, Simple Truth, all day. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's just, I was kind of just like, because my juicer gave out on me today, and I'm gonna go back to Brand Smart and get me another one because I had a warranty. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today. This is our activity, and my other 2 have left. My oldest son is actually the cameraman today because my tripod is on the fridge. Come back for more. We'll be back.
So now we're just at the last step of preparing our Seamoss gummies. And I did use the vegan gelatin, which is the 𝗥𝗲𝗃. And yeah, we're almost done. And before I put our gummy mixture into our molds, I just decided to just clean up and put our leftover juice away, and also the leftover of our Seamoss gel. And I only let it cool for a moment because you don't want to let it cool too much, because then it'll take the mold of the shape of the pot. And yeah, so we're just about done, and I made a lot of juice and Seamoss gel, as you can see, but we drank it and it was amazing. We are finally at the end of our Seamoss gummy creation, and my middle son did come back to help me put them into the molds. We had over 500 gummies. Oh my gosh. In the description box below, I'll share all of my Amazon links, and this is the finished product.
Okay, we're done.